Teachers of primary school section from 24 states had assembled at the parking lot at Polo, Shillong on the 4th of November 2022 for a deliberation on challenges faced by them as far as the teaching profession is concerned. The General Council meeting has been organized by the All India Primary Teachers Federation and hosted in the state by the All Meghalaya Primary School Teachers Association. Those present on the second day of the three-day event included Meghalaya Chief Secretary P Wahlang, the Secretary General of the All India Primary Teachers Federation, Kamala Kanta Tripathi, the Commissioner of Education, Government of Meghalaya, and also chief guest on the occasion, Dr. B D R Tiwari, the Secretary of Education, Government of Meghalaya, and guest of honor at the event, Ambrose Ch Marak, the General Secretary of the All Meghalaya Primary School Teachers Association, C Shullai, members of the AIPTF and AMPSTA and teachers, besides others.
To engage with the election department and hope that the BLO duty is disengaged from the teachers of the state. It is challenging, it is difficult, but we will try our best to engage with the election department. One of the big problem that we have seen also in the education sector pertaining to teachers is also the problem of quality teaching. This has been highlighted in NEP also. In NEP, we have seen that the Justice Verma report has highlighted there are more than 10,000 institutions which have been closed because of poor quality teaching in their teachers training programs. More than 10,000 of them have already been closed. And this is because they are not giving proper education, and therefore teachers training has been affected very adversely. So this is one area in which we have to do a lot. There is still a lot of things to be done as far as teachers training is concerned, and this will be done when everything is streamlined properly, and then only the quality of teaching will improve. I request one thing, you are all teachers. As we have read in different media reports, there is a lot of pressure on the students. Don't put too much pressure on the students. We are aware of the data that in 2019, more than 10,000 students committed suicide just because there is too much pressure on them. As teachers, it is your responsibility, we as policymakers, our responsibility to make the syllabus, to make the curriculum more children friendly. Therefore, I request and I urge all of you to kindly make the classroom a happy place. Don't put pressure on the students, don't beat them, don't harass them, don't mentally harass them, in the sense that make a classroom a happy place for the students to ensure that they get better education.